I'm just going to do a quick video of the Britannia pier. Hopefully the music's not too loud today, so hopefully I won't get copyrighted. Been quite a few changes. That's the Camel Derby, that's been there a long time. Got the amusement arcade, got all new signage. Most of this here to the right, a lot of that's new as well. Let's just have a look out towards the sea. I'll just go a little bit further. There's Britannia Pier. I'm not going to go any further because I think I might get copyrighted with this music, so I'm going to leave it at that. So we'll go back down and go past the beach, I think. Right, that was just a quick video